Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. In today's video we're going to be working with this crochet stitch. It is a very easy stitch, and then we're going to need to make 2 panels of this. I'm going to be using this yarn. This yarn is discontinued, but you can use any lightweight yarn that says that you should use a 3mm hook. So look at the yarn label, and where it says yarn hook size, that's where you'll see the type of yarn that would work better for this stitch. All right, so let us get started by making a chain. All right, we're going to be working with multiples of 10 for this project. For the length that I wanted, I am going to make 8 multiples of 10 plus 4. So if you want the shirt to be longer than mine, so it's not a crop top, it's a bit of a full top or a full poncho, then you can definitely add more, like 20 more. So to make multiples of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That counts as the first multiple of 10. Okay, so I'm going to make 8 more, which is going to make it 80 plus 4, and then I will meet you at the end of the row. I have reached the end of my row and I made 4 extra chains. So I'm going to make the first double crochet by chaining 3. 1, 2, 3, and then go back in here with a double crochet, going under, pulling through, pull through, pull through, and then we're going to make another double crochet, and then a 4th double crochet. This is row 1. So I have 4 double crochets, or 3 double crochets plus 1 chain, which counts as 4. And now I'm going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you are going to skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, and then in the 7th you are going to make a double crochet. Then we're going to make 4 double crochets in the next row. So this counts as our first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So pay attention, this is what you're going to do up until the end of the row. Just gonna do that so that you don't struggle. So chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chains, and then you're going to count 6 chains from the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hold on to this yarn a bit so that it doesn't twist, and then you're going to make 4 double crochets. This is how you're going to continue on this row, and you must be left with 4 chains to make 4 double crochets. That's what you must end up with. Okay, so there I've shown you chain 9, skip 6, and then in the 7th you are going to make 4 double crochets. We are going into row 2 now, and I am going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. That counts as my first double crochet, and then I turn the work around to make another double crochet in the top of this double crochet, another double crochet, 3, and then another double crochet. So here we're going to repeat the step that we did previously in row 1. So chain 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then go in here with a double crochet on top of the double crochet. So where there's 4 double crochets, you are always going to make 4 double crochets at the top. Okay, 4 double crochet, and this is how it looks. So continue with the pattern. I'm going to show you one more time. Chain 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then double crochets. Hold on to the yarn and then double crochets on top of double crochets. So that's 4 double crochets. 2 3 and 4, and then we chain 9 and then repeat the process until the end. Okay, this is the end, or almost the end of the row. I have 2 left, so there's 2 double crochets. Remember, there's that double crochet and then the chain counts as a double crochet, so you need to make sure that you are left with 4 double crochets. Chain 1 2 3, turn the work around, and then let's make 4 double crochets. This is the 3rd row. So going forward, you are going to repeat these rows 1 2 and the 3rd one to make the pattern. So we're going to change things slightly. I am going to make a chain of 4. Remember, we have 9, so I'm going to make a chain of 4 and then 1 single crochet for both, and then 4 chains to make it 9. So 1 2 3 4, and then what we are doing is we are going to go underneath these 2 lines to make a single crochet. So there, and then chain 4, 1 2 3 4. So there it grabs both of them. So now we are going to make 4 double crochets. Sorry about that. 4 double crochets, and then chain 4, 1 2 3 4. Go underneath these 2 to make a single crochet, and then chain 1 2 3 4, and then 4 double crochets. Then you are going to repeat the process. 3 4, then chain 1 2 3 4. I'm going to show you one more time. You go under here and then you pull through both, and then it's a single crochet, and then chain 4 2 3 4, and then continue. Then I'm going to show you how you are going to continue, but you're going to basically repeat what you did in the last 2 rows, and then 1 will grab. So make sure that you have 2 straight ones, and then 1 is going to grab both of them. So I'm going to finish this off, and then I will show you the next row. Then you can do the next row and then repeat this row of grabbing the lines together. I have reached the end of this row. I am going to chain 1 2 3, which counts as the first double crochet, and then double crochet in the next space, double crochet in the next space, double crochet in the next space, to make 4 double crochets. Chain 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then you are going to make 4 double crochets. So that's how you are going to continue with this row. It's a very easy pattern, but it's so beautiful. So chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then double crochet in the next 4 double crochets. So you're just skipping everything and going straight over there. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how it looks. And then in the next row you are going to do the same thing, make 9 chains and then 4 double crochets. And then when you have done that, in the third, that's when you're going to do what we did here by chaining 4 and then go under and then chain 4. And that's going to be our pattern. That's how easy it is. So you will make it as long as you want to make it. But seeing my picture, I'm a size medium. And I'm about 1.7 meters tall. So I made 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 3 times 27, and then I made the last row of just skipping 6. So instead of 9, the last row, I just did chains of 6 like we did when we started. Remember when we started, we skipped 6. And then the rest is 9 chains up until where you want it to end. So yeah, do the next panel and then we will put this together. It's very easy, very easy. Hey everyone, all right, so I have made my 2 panels and then I counted from here. Sorry if it's a bit dark this side. I counted the little flowers or whatever you call them. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, and that makes them, I counted 7 coming this side and then 7 this side as well. Okay, so this I didn't cut off because I'm gonna put the 2 sides together. Okay, I have the other part and then I'm also going to count 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is where we are going to end putting them together. We're just going to put them together at the top here with single crochets, and then count 7 this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 here and there. So we are going to put them together. Like I said, I didn't cut the end this side. Now I am undoing this. Okay, so here is the 7. So I'm putting this together and then I'm going to put this together with single crochets. See if I can zoom in so you can see. So I'm going to go under and then I'm going to go under the side and then go through both. So we're going to do single crochets going across until we reach where we put our stitch marker. So single crochet to the other side, and then I am going to do the same thing on the other side, and then I will show you once I'm done. And that's going to be your poncho or your shrug, whichever one you like to call it. So this is how it looks. So you're going to single crochet all the way to here, okay, and then you're going to single crochet on the other side. And here is our poncho. I'm gonna just turn it inside out. There you go. I haven't blocked it yet. If you want, you can block it. This yarn is acrylic also. So I'll see how it looks, and then if I like how it looks the way that it is, then I won't block it. But if I want to just stretch it out a little bit, then I shall do so. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you found it easy to make. If you did, please feel free to subscribe and to leave a comment in the comment section or a like. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Enjoy. See you in the next one coming out soon.